Hi everyone, it's Linnea. Welcome back to another Whimsy Stamps product reveal video. Today I am showing you the Polka Dot Pals Tobias 4x6 clear stamp set. So you're going to have a total of 5 images and 1 sentiment in the stamp set. The main image here, that little boy, he is about 2 inches wide by 4 inches tall, and I'm going to show you how to stamp him so that you can get the most out of your stamp set. So when I stamp these Polka Dot Pals little cuties, I like to use a stamp positioner. You definitely don't have to, it's just my preference. So I'm going to start by stamping out his main body, and I'll just use some black ink for that. Once I have that stamped, I'm going to grab the rest of his face, so the little eyes and the mouth, and I'll line those up right over the image, and then I will stamp that with some black ink. And this is going to give you 2 different ways to use this image. So you can definitely use him with just his little eyes there, or you could stamp him with the eyes and the mouth. And especially on this little Tobias little boy here, his mouth is just so cute. I love his gap in his teeth. It reminds me of my 5-year-old son. So there really are a couple of different ways that you can use this stamp set to get the most out of your stamps. Now there are also other images in the Polka Dot Pals Tobias stamp set. Those stars measure about 1 3/4 inches by 2 5/8 inches. The word sensational is about 3 3/4 inches long by 3/4 inches tall. And then there is also that box that is about 2 by 1 1/4 inches. I used just those stars with the birthday candles on top and created a fun background for my inspiration for you today. And then I also paired this with the bookmark and tag dies with that present in the center. And the birthday party dragons is another new stamp set. I grabbed a sentiment from there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.